and it's very expensive infrastructure. It's both grid-level storage and on the edge, because people complain about the drain on electricity when at noon everybody turns on the air conditioning. That's nothing compared to people driving back home and putting their cars to a charger at 8 p.m. every night. The drain of energy from that is going to be an order of magnitude more than air conditioning, and air conditioning is already putting grids, in the States, in California, down.
Yeah.
So we're going to need to have ways to store energy centrally in order to absorb for the peaks of production, peaks and lows of production, and we're going to need to have to store energy locally on the edge to absorb the peaks of consumption. And those are fields where startups play. So those are fields where we invest in massive storage, like Energy Dome, or in smaller scale storage like Synergy Flow. But because it's going to be an essential part of the energy transition, because you cannot upgrade the whole electrical grid. So you're going to have to store.